Remember this beast. Anyway, we're here doing some work on her today. The complaint is she starts up fine one time, runs, you shut her off, go start again, just starts cranking, but doesn't want to fire until you start stomping on the gas, which obviously on a fuel injected engine should not make a difference, but you know, that's the old method. So anyway, I took the top cover off just to get access to the fuel rail and the Schrader valve, and I had a screwdriver around here somewhere a minute ago. Oh, in my pocket. And so I'm going to press the valve on here. It's an inlet valve anyway. You see we get no pressure at all from the fuel rail. And I don't think there's one anywhere else. Like I said, until we did replace this little regulator or whatever a few years back when the computer was bitching about it on the check engine. Now the truck always had a check engine light. So I don't know, maybe if it threw a code, but nobody would have known because it always had the check engine on it anyway. So I'm thinking we're going to see, I'm going to turn the truck on, see if we get any pressure out of this. If we do, we'll crank it, see how it runs, then let it run, then shut it off, come see if we still have pressure. If we don't, then we know something's going on with the pump, or maybe the fuel filter, which I believe would be an inline filter on this truck. I'm not really sure. So let's see. Oh, he said he sent them to start after a new battery, which makes no sense. So got alarm warnings everywhere. Okay, so battery looks okay. There is fuel in the tank according to this. I think I hear the fuel pump, but this damn thing's so fucking noisy. I can't tell. So we pumped it twice. Let's see if we have any fuel pressure up there. We should definitely have something. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got fuel coming up. Most definitely. Not a lot, but a little bit. Definitely has pressure, so that's a good start. Let's see if it starts then. Damn the door. Alright, truck. Well, that's normal. It's got an off idle though. Huh, that's super. Sounds like we can hear the fuel pump. Oh, Jesus Christ, what the hell happened here? Wow. Somebody ripped the handle off the door? What the fuck? So it sounds like the fuel pump is running. Oh, we do have an inline filter though. Yes, we certainly do. So I think we replaced that first of all. Is what I'm thinking. Oh, we gotta do the shocks on this thing too, boy. They are sagging like a beast. There's too much weight in this whole bumper. Wow. It did some damage, boy, no doubt. Thank God the bumper was mostly shit. Didn't seem to hopefully hurt the frame too much, but anyway, we'll get back to that. Well, it is running. Like its normal steady self. So that is odd that it won't restart. So the cold motor we got a antifreeze leak back there. I just noticed that's been pissing on the back of the engine. Must have been for some time now. come back to the leak anyway. So we let it sit for a second with the ignition just simply on without turning the ignition off. Seems like the tach is working. I think we do hear the fuel pump now. I did go up to the top and press the fuel rail, which there didn't seem to be anything in it, so once again we'll crank it. We get nothing, so we got good power, so let's turn the ignition off. I don't smell any fuel. Oh wait, a little bit. Yeah, I smell fuel. Okay, so let's prime it, turn it off, prime it again. Oh wow. Yeah, I see what he's saying. Okay, now we see the symptom. So what do we think that is, crank? I think that's crank sensor. That's a good one. Yeah, it's getting fuel. Yeah, I think the crank sensor should be moving a lot more than that. So I think that's a crank sensor. Yeah, we definitely got fuel. Lots of fuel. You can smell it, boy. Yeah, so we got plenty of fuel in there, no doubt. So we should have a lot of pressure built up in the rail now. Let's take a little test and see. And that release is the exact same thing that contour is doing that we just did the timing on. Yeah, and we got fuel. So that most likely means crank sensor, I would happen to think. Alrighty, let's take the air intake off. But it sounds like a different kind of fucking cranking noise though, so I don't know. That is odd. It's almost like skipping, like ding 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 ding. Hopefully something didn't break down in the engine, but I think that might be crank sensor because it just sounds like it's skipping. Or it's kind of sputtering but doing nothing else. Oh, that's weird. But it did fire up fine, so the symptom's been doing it, so I really think it's a crank sensor. Started the ignition on the truck, put the key in, turned it, none of the computer lights came up, and now we're getting this with the key out. Sounds like a short. You can hear the relay clicking, which is this relay right here. 3164, so I don't know what the hell it's doing. But I'm getting nothing booting up to the computer. It sounds like an electrical short. And here I have that. When I turn on the dash, I get nothing. Wow, it wants to run, which is fucking crazy. That makes no sense. It doesn't ever run. Well, that makes no fucking sense. That's fucking weird. Okay, now I did reattach the coolant sensor.